In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer discount in QuickBooks Online. We're going to walk through this simple process step by step, making sure you understand each part of the journey. So if you're ready to learn how to make discounts in QuickBooks, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you've got your login credentials handy, go ahead and enter those now. QuickBooks is a fantastic tool for managing your finances, and being able to customize transactions like adding discounts is one of the many reasons it's so popular. So with your credentials entered, click continue and log into your account. Once you're on the main page after signing in, the next step is to access the invoicing options. Begin by clicking on New. This option can usually be found in the top portion of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, specifically in the left-hand panel. Selecting New will provide you with a drop-down menu of various transaction options you can create. From here, you'll want to choose Invoice. Creating an invoice is necessary because it's here where we'll be able to apply a discount to your customer's transaction. By clicking on Invoice, QuickBooks will open a new screen where several details about the transaction will need to be filled out. Next, it's time to add your customer to the invoice. In the invoice creation window, there should be a field labeled for customer information. You can either select from an existing list of customers if this is a repeat client, or input the details for a new customer. QuickBooks makes it pretty easy by auto-completing known customer details to minimize your effort here. After your customer is set up, you'll want to move on to adding your products or services to the invoice. This involves selecting the specific item or service from your inventory or list. QuickBooks' interface is intuitive, so just type in the start of the product name, and it should auto-suggest products you have previously entered. Now for the key part of today's video, adding the discount. To do this, look for an option or field where you can specify a discount. This might be a specific line for discount in the invoice details. Once located, simply enter the discount amount or percentage. Adding a discount can help you maintain customer loyalty and manage promotions effectively. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything on the invoice, from your customer's details to the discount applied, it's time to click Save and Send. This button is often found towards the bottom of your screen. Hitting Save and Send will save the invoice and open up options to email it directly to your customer, thus completing this straightforward process. And there you have it, a simple way to add a customer discount in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can offer deals easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.